Hello there, everybody, and guess what? Here's the recent flavor of DQ Blizzard of the month for February this year. It's called the Triple Truffle Blizzard. See right here? It's made out of yummy chocolate, peanut butter, and caramel chocolates inside. See? Very yummy. That looks really neat. So anyways, let's give this a try. Mmm. Yummy. What a very yummy flavor. Okay, yeah. It tastes like yummy chocolate candies that's got some peanut butter and some caramel inside. Really, really yummy. Really, really, really yummy. Mmm. Delicious. So anyways, guys, I highly recommend it. Try this flavor. It's really yummy and delicious. So anyways, I hope that you enjoy this video, and don't forget to feel free to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I'll do the best I can to make more Blizzard reviews than ever before. So anyways, see you soon, and stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you soon.